This jig was designed to use a punch by taking out the cup. When we take out the cup, it fits tighter. We get more accurate punches. So you will drop your chads. So if you put them on the box underneath you, you can catch them all or just hit them with a vacuum when you're done. For fabrication, we use 1/2" MDF. We use 2 boards. Everything is screwed down. You got rubber bumpers to keep it from moving around on your table. We wrapped it, for sanitary purposes, we wrapped it with freezer paper. Shiny side up because you can easily wipe it with a little alcohol before you start your punching process. Wipe your jig down with alcohol. Also wipe your tools down with alcohol. Make sure you wash your hands first, and then we found that using hand sanitizer, nothing that has like aloe vera or perfumes in it, if you just start with basic hand sanitizer or even alcohol to wipe your fingers first, it'll keep you from transferring fingerprints to the transparencies. I'm only wearing these gloves for this demonstration purpose, but I don't think you're supposed to use any latex gloves on anything because of allergies that people have. So just do it with clean hands and sanitize hands. This jig is made for 11" or 11¼ sheets. 11" is what we're finding for the transparencies. Report covers would be your 11¼ We use an index to adjust for the 11". And then if you're going to do 11¼ move your index to the other side. Just work the opposite direction. We're going to use a colored sheet so you can see what we're doing. It's an 11" sheet. So we're going to put our index on the 11" side. Lift your bar. Make sure everything's tight along the back and up against your index plate. Drop the bar down. Keep a little pressure on it. Keep everything nice and tight. The punch will index itself up against the back and punch your 4 holes. Lift your bar up, flip your sheet, re-index everything. It's very important since we're flipping that it has to be indexed back tight. Punch your last 2 holes. Take your transparency, put it in your envelope, you're good to go for the next one.